So what is the paddle attachment, or as we call it here at KitchenAid, the flat beater? So the flat beater is what I like to call the wooden spoon of the stand mixer. It's for mixing and incorporating ingredients together. So mixing up your cake mixes, a batch of cookies. Don't forget savory dishes like meatloaf and meatballs. It's also what you use for creaming butter and sugar. We also have another paddle attachment or flex edge beater. So these are basically the same, but the flex edge beater has a silicone strip. So this is like the wooden spoon and the spatula for the stand mixer. So this mixes and combines as well, but it assists scraping the bowl. So you don't have to stop and scrape as often. So that is what the paddle attachment, flat beater or flex edge beater do.